Good Friday evening. Thank you for checking out this quick weather update for the upcoming Memorial Weekend. Warm and humid conditions are expected, but with that does come storms, and there are storm chances. But the good news is we will get plenty of dry hours tomorrow before the storms do hit. I think we will be interrupted late in the afternoon and into the evening with scattered storms around that could bring locally heavy rainfall, some strong winds, maybe some small hail as well. And then for Sunday, this looks to be the wetter of the 2 days this weekend, with numerous shower and storm chances across the region really throughout the entire day. So here's the latest 7-day forecast with updated temperatures and precipitation chances here. Tomorrow, I really think the morning is dry. I can't never say never, but I think the morning through about 2 p.m. should be just fine. I think after 2 p.m. we can start to develop some isolated storms. And you can see that here in the forecast radar guidance. And where the storms do develop here, some locally heavy rainfall will be possible with these. And again, an isolated severe storm as well. Temperature of 87. Warmest day of the year so far for Saturday. Heat index values could be awfully close to the low 90s. So it's going to be a warm one out there tomorrow. And then for Sunday, we have 80 degrees with numerous showers and storms expected. You know, it's not going to rain the whole day, but the problem is the shower and storms will be numerous enough that it will keep things wet. And it's going to be certainly an interesting day for the Indy 500, as we will be dealing with scattered storms during that time. Our dry gaps may be tough to get enough dry time in here, but there will be at least some gaps. But again, I think the storms will be around. And then for Monday, Memorial Day, we probably will start the day pretty dry, but then I think we will see some widely scattered storms in the afternoon. Monday is not a washout. There will be plenty of dry times in there, but there will be some scattered storms as well. High of 85, upper 80s on Tuesday. Dry, and then our next chance of storms will come in a cold front, which does bring some relief from the warmth and humidity late next week. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful and safe Memorial Weekend.